I've been able to make over $100 on Binance using a simple strategy. To explain this into details, I'll need few minutes of your time. If you can give me your time right now, trust me, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step so that you can also start making some free money for yourself on Binance. If you are still watching this video right now, that means you are interested in knowing this strategy. So without much ado, let me walk you through the process right away. Alright, so quickly let me walk you through what I've been doing. Okay, so I've been using the Binance platform to do all this thing that enabled me to make the free $100. So this is how I've been able to do it, and this is how you can also do it. So the first thing is you need a Binance account to do this, right? So if you don't have a Binance account, I'll leave a link in a video description. Go ahead and use the link to register and stand a chance to get $100 free bonus, right? And if you don't know how to claim your bonus after registering, I have a separate video on that. I'll also link it in the video description so that you can watch it, right, to help you as well, right? But straightforward, let's get to the business of today, right? So this is what I've been doing on Binance for some time now, and I've been able to make some cool cash from it, right? So it's all about launchpool. Okay, recently Binance has been bringing up a lot of projects that it launches on a platform that enables you to earn free amounts of tokens. So let me go to that part and show you something quickly. When you tap on the Binance icon at the top over here, it will take you straight to this part whereby you can have another shortcut. You may have launchpad over here or not, but in case you did not see the launchpad over here, tap on more services and scroll down till you see where they've written launchpad, right? So it is right here under the end tab. Just tap on it and you see a lot of stuff right here. Okay, so these are the projects that have been completed so far on the Binance launchpad. Okay, but this specifically is a launchpool. You can see over here we have home, launchpad, launchpool, and history, right? So these are the projects that Binance has launched so far on a launchpool, and every user on Binance who stake either BNB or FDUSD has been able to earn a certain amount of money within this project that you are seeing over here. And myself, I've been able to make money out of this. Okay, I've been able to enjoy from a couple of them. It's not all of them I've been able to earn. Okay, for some of them I've not realized this thing very early, so I missed out on a lot of them. You can see a lot of them right here, but I've been able to miss out, like I've missed out on a lot of them. Okay, somewhere in July we have Pendle, which was launched in July, but I wasn't active doing this thing, so yes, I missed everything, right? So let me go to my history and show you the ones that I've been able to participate in and the amount of tokens I've been able to earn from them. Okay, so I'll go to launchpool history. Okay, remember we are talking about launchpool, not launchpad. Okay, launchpool. So I'll tap on launchpool order and let's see the ones I've been able to earn, right? Let me take you straight to the bottom and we come up, right? So I'll keep on tap, view more till we see the last one. Okay, good. So the first token that I was able to earn on launchpool was the ACE. Okay, that was 2023, December 18, 2023. Okay, that was the time I earned this amount of token. At that time I earned only 0.128 and the rest of this particular ACE token. And at the time, this is a token, this is not the value, this is not equivalent value in dollars. The value of the token, it varies. Okay, it's volatile, so it goes up and comes down. All right, so this is a token and this is the amount I've been able to earn. When it comes to the second one over, we have NFP. All right, it's a token. Okay, so amount claimed, we have 1.722. When it comes to AI, the amount claim is the amount claim was 1.8 something, and that was 24th. That was January 4th, 24th. Okay, so you can see the one that I earned in last year was these two, the ACE and the NFP. But this year I am all on it. Okay, I'm all on this launch poster. We have XAI, the amount claim was 1.9. We have Manta, the amount claim was 2.3. And we have Alt, the amount claim was 38. I think even the Alt, I posted a video about it to allow you to claim it. All right, And even Pixel, I think I've posted a video about that as well. So the amount claimed for Pixel is 4.3. The amount claimed for the amount claimed for Pixel, I've withdrawn the Pixel 2 times. So this is the first one and the second. When you add the two, you have like 26 points something, right? And we also have Portal. I earn about 3.7175 amount of Portal. When it comes to Ivo, I've earned 0.09 in one launch pool, and the second one I claimed was 3.36, the same Ivo, right? And recent one, which is Finance, right? I claimed 0.05 over there, and the same thing I claimed 1.48 over here. I did claim these two options because I stake FDUSD and BNB. Okay, so that's how come I did that. And now for this one, I stake only BNB. That's how come I earn 22.4475 in the rest amount of ENA, right? So quickly, let me just walk you through how this thing is done. So you see, for security reasons, I'm not going to reveal my balance or anything. Let me just show you what you need to know, right? So I'm going to go to my wallet right here. So I'm going to go to N, right? This is what actually enabled me to earn this amount of token that you've seen over there. So the BNB, I have BNB. At the time, that was last year, I wasn't having enough BNB in my wallet. So whenever I see a launch pool coming up, I make sure I stake the BNB I have in my wallet. So by staking that BNB, I earn a certain amount of this token that is on a launch pool. Once the token has been listed on Binance, I quickly go ahead and sell some of them and then convert them to BNB so that my BNB amount will increase, because there will definitely be more launch pools coming up, right? So that is what I've been doing. I've been investing into launch pool. When I get the reward, I quickly convert it to BNB to make my, you see, this is why I've been adding into the BNB, right? So that my BNB will increase. This is the reason. You see, this whole thing is about percentage game. So the more you stake, the more you earn. If you stake $2 and somebody stake $100, the person is going to definitely gain more return than you. If both of you are to share 1%, gain on daily basis, the person who staked $100 is definitely going to make more than you. All right. So that's how I've been adding everything to my BNB to make it more, right? And one thing too, if you have BNB in your account, that is not all. Okay, that is not all. If you have it and it is just lying over there, a time will come when there's a launch pool, you may not even be aware, you may not even be online to know. But if you stake your BNB, okay, into either BNB vault or you use it for any of the log products, for instance, in this case, my log product is 120 days, okay, and after the 120 days, I'll receive 2.5% of whatever amounts that I've invested over here, right? And at BNB vault, the percentage return is 0.37, and it is flexible, meaning I can withdraw it at any time. All right. Now, this is what I'm saying, that you shouldn't just keep your BNB over there, but put it in either BNB vault or the log product. What happens is, whenever there is a launch pool, and even you, when you are not online or you're not aware of it, BNB vault or the log products, they will automatically allow you to claim a certain percentage or amount of the token. Okay, when the token comes on the launch pool, what happens first is we have something called farming. All right, Binance will allow you to farm the token for a certain number of days. So the number of days you've been able to farm the token, you earn a certain percentage of that token depending on the amount you use and the number of days that you farm the token. So if you have a certain amount of BNB in your BNB vault or log product, and the coin or the token is being placed on a launch pool and the farming starts, it means you are automatically going to start farming on the very first day, the very first minute that farming has been allowed for that particular token. And this means you start a chance to earn a good amount of the token, provided you have a good amount of money in your BNB vault or log account, right? And I know you may not have that big amount of money to start this like, you know, so big like that. But you can start like me, who started with a very small amount of money in my BNB wallet that I used to stake. Right now I've been able to make over a good sum of money. Right, that's right now I just leave it over there. Whenever there's a launch pool, I don't have to do anything. I just come and see it. Okay, so even if I scroll down, you see some of the projects that I talk about. I'm still holding some of them. Okay, I'm still holding some of them. I've not sold them because I've been able to get some money to put in my BNB wallet. So right now I'm leaving this ones over here to see how best they will perform in the long run, so that I can actually cash out on them big time. Right, maybe I'll leave them there for some months and let's see how they are going to perform. So you can see the recent one, which is the inner, the Edge Finance, the Portal, the alt layer, the pond. This one is from a different strategy that I use. I didn't gain this from the launch pool. I gained this from a different strategy that I use, and probably I'll talk about that. Yeah, and this is XAI, the one you saw earlier. This also is from the same strategy I used to gain the pond. It's the same thing over here. Talking about this one to the same thing, right? And the rest, they are just tokens I've been able to earn residually as I kept BNB in my wallet, my vault and locked account over here. So basically that is it, and I do hope you find this video helpful. And of course, if you want to start all this, you need a Binance account, and you must verify your Binance account before you be able to have access to all these things. So if you don't have an account yet, click the link in the video description and register on Binance. And if you don't know how to claim your $100 bonus once you register on Binance using the link in the video description, I'll also leave another link over there that will help you to know how you can claim your $100 bonus on Binance after registering using the link in the video description. I'll see you in the next video. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you would like to see more videos on productivity, how to make money online, and creativity, kindly go ahead and hit that subscribe button on this YouTube channel, and also like this video, share it with others, and let's spread the news of creativity, productivity, and money making across the globe. I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.